Creating series and long-term projects is a natural evolution in street photography. While single images capture moments, projects capture meaning over time. They allow you to explore themes deeply, build coherence, and develop a stronger personal voice. A series is a group of related images connected by subject, location, mood, or concept. A long-term project extends this idea across months or years. Instead of reacting to random moments, you begin to photograph with intention and direction. Projects begin with curiosity, not certainty. You do not need a fully formed concept. Often, projects emerge from noticing patterns in your own work. Pay attention to recurring subjects, environments, or emotions. These repetitions are clues. Strong projects ask questions rather than provide answers. You might explore themes such as isolation, routine, urban change, identity, or human connection. The goal is not to explain the topic, but to observe it honestly over time. Consistency is more important than perfection. Images within a series should feel connected, even if they vary visually. Consistency can come from subject matter, visual style, pacing, or emotional tone. This cohesion helps viewers stay engaged. Working on a project changes how you shoot. You become more patient and selective. You stop chasing novelty and start returning to the same places. Familiarity deepens observation. Subtle changes become visible. Editing is a critical part of project work. Not every strong image belongs in the series. Selection should serve the theme, not individual favorites. Learning to exclude images strengthens narrative clarity. Sequencing adds meaning. The order in which images appear affects how the story unfolds. Pay attention to rhythm, contrast, and emotional flow. A strong sequence guides viewers gently rather than overwhelming them. Long-term projects require commitment. Motivation will rise and fall. Some days produce nothing. Trust the process. Depth develops slowly. The value of long-term work often becomes clear only in hindsight. Projects also encourage ethical reflection. Repeatedly photographing the same communities or spaces builds responsibility. Relationships and respect matter more over time than in single encounters. Projects help you grow beyond trends. While individual images may chase attention, cohesive bodies of work build credibility. They show that you can think, observe, and sustain interest. Sharing projects differs from sharing single images. Viewers need time and space to engage. Books, zines, exhibitions, and online essays often suit project-based work better than fast-scrolling platforms. Projects also provide direction for learning. Technical choices, lens use, and editing styles become more intentional when guided by a theme. Your tools begin to serve the story rather than distract from it. Not every photographer needs constant projects, but every photographer benefits from working on one. Projects create focus, reduce creative anxiety, and give meaning to repetition. Over time, your long-term projects become a record of how you see the world. They reflect patience, curiosity, and growth. They turn scattered moments into a coherent voice. Creating series and long-term projects is how street photography moves from collecting images to building work that lasts. When you commit to a project, you are no longer just reacting to the street. You are listening to it over time.